Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. If you're new here, I am so glad that you're here. Welcome. And if you're not, well, then welcome back. Today we have a really fun topic because I am going to share with you about a silk company that sent me a couple of blouses to try out so I could give an honest review. And that is what I am going to do, because I am not going to tell you guys I like something if I don't, but I have to say I am so excited about this silk. And as you can see, I'm wearing one of the blouses. I also have another one behind me. Those are the two that they sent to me. The company is called Lilysilk. All of their pieces are made from 100% pure natural mulberry silk, and it feels like a dream on your body. And if I can't even tell you the compliments that I have been getting on this blouse when I wear it. I haven't worn this one as much as this one, although you're going to see in my photos, I actually have a few, but I've been grabbing this one on a regular basis. I'm going to put a link to both of these at the end. Well, they'll be in the description below, and you also get a 12% discount if you want to look it up and do that, but I'll give you a code at the end, or it's in the description as well. But let me show you how I have put this together. Before I do that, like some of my outfits, but before I do that, I'm going to show you the amazing packaging that it came in. I mean, how gorgeous to receive a product in the mail that looks like it's a gift. Oh my goodness, how exciting is that? Okay, so, and by the way, you guys, this is a sponsored ad. I'm not getting paid to do this. I got product for it. So I just wanted to be upfront about that, because I was excited when they said, well, I tried out, give them a review, an honest review. But I love clothes, as you know that. We're a style business around here, and I always like to find resources that I think you guys would like. And so their prices are, for silk, I think are great price, so you can look them up when you go online. But I mean, I have paid more than $200 for a silk blouse before. This one, well, I didn't pay for these, right? Because they sent them to me. But this top here, blouse here, averages, I think it's like at $145. And then the one behind me is $155. And so let's talk about the one that I have on first. All right, so this is called the Majus blouse. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, M-A-J-U-S. But look at the different ways that I have worn this. First of all, it comes in black, and it comes in this color, which is called lily white. It's like an off-white. So if you are a soft or a warm or a deep, it would be amazing for you. Those of you who are light, you could wear it as well. I think the clears and the cools, I probably would go for the black in this one. But let me just show you some photos of myself wearing that. Well, okay, so one, you can see there, I'm wearing it with the green suit that is in our closet outfit planner. This season, I got that, I'm wearing that with that beautiful silk blouse. So we're putting these silk blouses in our planner, so you can just link to them from there. But it's a great capsule wardrobe piece. These are blouses that you will have in your wardrobe for years and years to come. And honestly, will get compliment after compliment after compliment on them. My favorite part is the sleeves on these. And I have worn this probably 10 times already. And as you can see, even in my photos here, I've got a bunch. So there I am in the green suit. And then there I am right before I was leaving the house in my office right here, studio, with a pair of cropped jeans and a pair of pointy-toed slides. And so you can see where it ends on me. I am 5'11". This top, I would say I would say get your regular size in this top. Now, I'm 5'11". I typically wear a size 14 or 16. I would say, and most of you would probably call me slim. I'm not skinny, but I have a slim silhouette, but I have broad shoulders. So I always typically go to an XL or an XXL. So in this one, I got the XXL, double XL. I'm really glad that I did because it has a slimmer silhouette. Now, the top behind me, I also got in the XXL, and I wish I had gotten the XL. So I would say for the top that's called the silk oversized shirt, I would probably size down in that. I probably could have even gotten the large in that and it would have been fine. I love it. I love oversized things. So there's that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the top behind me, the blouse behind me. So this one is called the silk oversized shirt. It comes in black. It comes in a color called light camel, which is what that is. It comes in a brick red. I was really tempted when they asked me what color I wanted. Oh, I went back and forth. It took me a while to even let them know because I was like, I don't know, do I want the brick red? And I might get it in the brick red, actually. I love it so much. And then it also comes in the white, lily white, just like this one. And so 4 colors in that. And it ranges, they do have a size guide in there. So you can take your measurements. And I did that. And I should have gone for the XL, but I just didn't trust myself, on that. And so here's the other very neat thing about any of these. You can do size customization and you can also monogram these pieces. And so if you need a different size, a bigger size, a smaller size than what they have, you can do size customization for only an additional $30, which I think is pretty awesome. And so let's take a look at some of the ways that I have worn this blouse. All right, so here I am just standing outside on my porch with a pair of just a pair of, I think it's just straight jeans. So I've got the same slides on that I had in that other photo. And this I would just wear. I could have even worn a longer necklace with that. I think I should have added that. I didn't, but I just had one kind of a statement piece right there. It is longer in the back than in the front, so it covers the booty. I really love that. Here I am on my way to the mall one day, and I wore it with a patterned jack blazer with that. I wore it out. I'm a B body shape. I gained my weight in my middle. So I could have done a front tuck, ended up tucking, you might be able to tuck it in, wear a belt. I don't necessarily like to do that, but there it is, just with wearing it with a beautiful blazer. And here I have it on with a white kind of nubby knit. It's not a knit, it's like a boucle blazer and white wide leg pant. And so there I do have it actually tucked in, and just so you can see it, I have it buttoned up. That I also wore that same day with it out, where it kind of hung down below the jacket in the back. I'm not sure I loved that look, but I would say tuck it in, it becomes a blouse. They do have other blouses that are not as long. And so if you want one that's just a shorter and tuck in, that's a basic classic, then you might want to look at that one. Then here I am in what was so funny on Facebook and Instagram when I posted it. Most of you loved it. You loved that outfit, but there were some of you who just couldn't stand those pants. How funny is that? But here I'm doing a front tuck with these knit pants, and then just the top out in the back. And I love that look. I think it's funky. I think it's creative. And there you can see the width, like the width of the sleeve, and how it's, it's got a little fuller with the sleeve, but you can tuck, push the sleeves up a little bit. But just in love with these two pieces. Now, why am I in love with these two pieces? The way they feel on my body. They feel like I have on this second skin that I could live in these pieces. I'm not kidding. I'm going to get some more. When I sit down and decide, okay, what are the next piece or two in my wardrobe that I'm going to fill for our closet outfit planner, this is what's happening, because I have found myself wearing them everywhere. And I told you before, the compliments have been out of this roof. People love these blouses. Anytime I go anywhere, it's the one thing people, like, they stop me and talk to me about these blouses. So then there's one other thing that they sent me. I have it right here. And I just ironed this because I just kind of spot treated it a little bit, but it's a pillowcase. And the pillowcase, if you've never slept with a silk pillowcase before, you gotta do it. It helps your skin, it helps your hair, it puts moisture in your hair, it keeps your skin from pulling and tugging. It is great if you have allergies. I wrote down a whole bunch of things it does. I think I hit everything right there. But I'm telling you, a silk pillowcase, your hair doesn't get, you don't wake up. Usually when I wake up and I would use a regular pillowcase, my hair would be like all over the place. These, my hair's a little smoother. It's just really fun. So you guys, I just hope that you will think about your wardrobe, what it is that you have, and how you can up level your jeans, how you can up level just a simple pair of straight leg pants with a silk piece. And I'm in love with the company, absolutely in love with the company. And so if you're looking for a new silk piece, you can get 12% off. The code is Sherry, my name, SHARI 12 at the end, and you'll just go to their website. We'll link it below, lilysilk.com. And I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to share more brands with you. If you love this kind of idea, go ahead and put it down below. And I'm just excited that there is a silk luxury line like Lilysilk that doesn't just take all your money. And this one doesn't. And I'm telling you guys, I'm really considering getting the pajamas because if they've got to feel this good on. So anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed that. And until next week, I will see you then. Bye.